What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Wednesday, July 21st, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Sup, Low Roller? Sup, Zakaria? Hey, Zakaria, you weren't here yesterday. I think that's like the first show you ever missed. I was pretty surprised. But, hey, glad you're here today, man. Low Roller. Yeah, crypto is pumping. Everything's pumping. Buy the rumor, sell the news didn't happen today. That's a good thing. Yeah, everything green. Very, very good. Much needed. So, yeah. Today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Tendy Town. That's because everything is in the green. All major indexes, pretty green. Not as green as yesterday, but still really good day for the stock market. And crypto is up a lot too. So, very good day today. Much needed after all this guh we've been getting. So, hope you guys made some tendies today. And we got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll do our daily stock and crypto review. And we got one piece of news today. We're going to talk about Elon Musk and Ethereum. And for the analysis today, we're going to be doing NURO. That was the big one yesterday and today. MMAT Metamaterials, XELA, Exela Technologies, and CEMI. Forget what that one's called already. Chembio Diagnostics. So, only 4 for the analysis today. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. Might be a short show today, depending. Only got 4 for the analysis. And I don't think the Yolos are going to take too long. So, might be a short show today, unless you guys, want to talk and ask me stuff. So, yeah, great show for you guys today. What's up, Mark? Appreciate you for being here. All right, and before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Mark made sick money on CEMI. Congratulations, man. You cash out yet? Came down like 40%. It was up like 200 something, right? We'll get to that one last. Oh, lagging a little bit. We'll get to CEMI last, but I think that was up like 200%. It's 200 something percent. So pulling back right now, or it's pulling back. It pulled back to 160%. But hey, very happy for you, man. J Powell. Cop. I hope that's how you pronounce your name. Sorry if I mispronounced. What's up, man? Still holding CEMI. Got in at 337. So, wow. Very nice gain, man. That's, like 75%, something like that? Congratulations. Very happy for you guys. CEMI is still going in the aftermarket. That is interesting. Alright, we'll get to all of that. Yeah, please like the video, guys. Thanks everyone for joining me today. Elon Musk said he owns Dogecoin. I mean, he should, right? I'd be kind of... I feel some type of way if he's shilling Dogecoin this whole time and then he doesn't even have any. Wouldn't that be something? Alright, let's do it, guys. What's up, Mitchell? Appreciate you for being here. Ran a moon on... Why am I lagging? Ran a moon on NURO. Congratulations, man. That was... We'll talk about NURO first, but very surprising stuff. You know, I did not expect it to run this hard after after a 300% day yesterday. Really did not expect it at all. But very happy for all you guys. How in the hell did the Bucks win the finals? Good question. Hey, give them credit. They're a pretty good team. Really good team, you know? Pretty stacked. I didn't realize it at the time, but they got some good players. They got Brooke Lopez, Giannis, Chris Middleton, Drew Holiday, PJ Tucker. They're pretty stacked. Hey, give them credit. So, yeah, congratulations to the Bucks. Didn't think they'd win, but happy for Giannis and all of them. Do I hold AMC Cop? No, I do not. But if it comes down, I would take a position. But I regret not getting AMC before it mooned, before it short squeezed. Definitely not gonna buy it at this price. I think that's a little bit too much. But if it comes down, I'd be interested in AMC. C-Pop finally pumping. I didn't see C-Pop, but I think I saw some talk in Wall Street Bets about C-Pop. Yeah, 8%. Not bad. Looks like it's reversing. All right. Yeah, appreciate everyone for being here. A lot of people here today. So, let's do it. Boom. All right. Let me switch to watch list here. Give me 1 second. Gotta add a few. All right. So the Dow Jones finishes up 0.83%. The Nasdaq finishes up 0.78%. And the S&P 500 finishes up 0.82%. Very nice. Oh, by the way, Mitchell, I really appreciate you, man. I saw the tip yesterday you sent. I thought it'd be a couple bucks, but very generous. Thank you, man. Really appreciate that. All right. So this one ran late in the day. AEHR. This was trending like 2 days ago. Caught a pop towards the end of the day. That's up 37.5%. We got AMC down 5.36%. Kind of expected. Had a massive day yesterday. What else we got here? We got BlackBerry up 1.88%. And CEMI, we'll talk about this one later, fourth. That's up 159% today. Crazy. Still going in the aftermarket a little bit. Low roller, 600K Tesla YOLO. I might have that one. I think I have that one today. Can't remember, but I think I put that one in the show today. So, yeah, we'll get to that. Chipotle, this thing's been running. Chipotle is up 11%, 11.54% today. Made 11K off NRUO today. Hey, congratulations, man. Huge tendies. Chicago pizza, that's where you're from? I'll take it. Never had Chicago pizza, but not sure if it's better than New York pizza. Because, everyone says New York pizza is the best. All right, we got Coinbase. All right, Clover Health. That's up 6.35% today. Coinbase up 2.63%. And CRTD, that's down 8.79%. Where'd all the sentiment go? Wasn't this supposed to be the next big squeeze? Guess not. DD, that's recovering, up 2.59%. DraftKings up 6.68%. Let's go. I hold DraftKings. Very nice day today. Express, that's up 3.89%. Got GME down 2.81%. So GME and AMC down today. Interesting. Okay, wow. Li Auto up 8.72%. Got Marathon, that's the Bitcoin exposure stock, up 10.74%. And MMAT up 20.06%. We'll get to that one second. Very big day for MMAT. At one point, it was up 30%, so pretty significant pullback, but hey, I ain't complaining. MRIN, that one has faded away. Not many people talk about it anymore, but that had a nice pop today, up 24.2%. Moderna's still running. That's up 4.48%. MicroStrategy up 11%. That pretty much trades like crypto now. Low roller. I'm praying MMAT doesn't reach 5. Honestly, I don't care. I hope it finishes around 5 by the time my calls expire. But if it goes past it, I'm in the green. I already made about $1,000 from my covered calls. So if it goes past 5, I'll still be up $1,000. So I ain't complaining. Green is green. Green is good. Okay, we got Microvision up 4.3%. Wow, Norwegian Cruise Line up 10%. Yeah, these airline and cruise stocks have been flying, like past week. Probably because travel's opening back up, but that's a huge day for Norwegian. Wow. NEO up 5.89%, so looks like all the Chinese EVs doing pretty good. And NURO, we'll talk about this one first. That is up 107.17%. It hit like 38 today, so it was up a lot more. So healthy pullback there. Still going in the aftermarket. Amazing. Okay. Oxygen up 3.77%. Riot, that's up 12.8%. SoFi, the apes love this one on Wall Street Bets. That's up 9.96%. Sundial Growers up 3.5%. Virgin Galactic up 4.18%. Square is up 4%, 4.37%. Tilray up 3.11%. Tesla's down. Interesting. That's down 0.79%. Anything else here? Nope. So yeah, that is the stock market today. A lot of green. A lot of green. Very, very happy. Hope you guys made a lot of money today. Okay, now let's get to crypto. Give me 1 second. All right. So crypto's up 6.26%. So after a lot of red days, finally got a nice day here. So let's see what's going on. Bitcoin up 5.72%. That's back over 31K. Ether up 7.7%. Back over 1900. Binance up 6%. Cardano up 6.26%. Sup, Joe? You're here and MMAT. Yeah. I know you're real happy about that. Diamond hands, right? After all the good. Finally popping off. We'll talk about that one second, I believe. Yep. Got XRP up 5.6%. Dogecoin up 10%. Polkadot up 8.7%. Bitcoin Cash up 4.6%. Yeah, pretty much everything green. Litecoin up 6.26%. Chainlink 6.5%. Wow, Polygon, that's up 18.64%. Is there any red? This is complete opposite. It's all green. Huh, Leo, that's red. When everything was red, that's green. When everything's green, that's red. Interesting. Everything is green. Very nice. Yeah, low roller. Could do that too. Telcoin, Flow, Axie. Yep, so green all around. Green stock market, green crypto. So very, very nice. Hope you guys made a lot of money. And that is a good transition into our article today. Let's pull that up. 1 second. Okay. All right. Let's read this. Ethereum price rises after Elon Musk confirms he owns the cryptocurrency. The price of cryptocurrency Ethereum rose on Wednesday after Elon Musk confirmed he owns it. Ethereum was last up 12% Wednesday before Musk's comments. Musk also expressed his support for cryptocurrency in general, despite environmental concerns related to mining. So yeah, not only does this guy pump Dogecoin, this guy can pump whatever he wants. Amazing. He's like a walking meme. And I did see somewhere else, he is considering taking Bitcoin as payment again for buying Teslas. You know, what was it, a couple of months ago, he came out saying Tesla's no longer taking Bitcoin because it's an environmental hazard and the price of mining it outweighs the cost or something like that. You know, because Tesla's all about going green and mining Bitcoin's not green apparently. So I saw somewhere that he's thinking about taking Bitcoin again for Tesla. So that's good. Yeah, nothing too crazy here, but, you know, Elon Musk, this guy can pump anything he wants. Anything he tweets, anything he says, pumps the market. Amazing. So today he's pumping Ethereum. So, yeah, fun little article here. That's all the news for today. Let's get right into the analysis. Low roller. I don't really trade crypto anymore, to be honest. I'm diamond hands on crypto. I don't really day trade crypto anymore. I just sell covered calls on Bitcoin and Ether. All right, give me 1 sec. All right, first one, NRUO. Yeah, La Roller. It seems like easy money, but you know, what if you bought it yesterday, and then it went down today? You know, ain't that simple. But you know, nowadays I just prefer to stick with the stock market for day trading or swing trading. Crypto I hodl. Okay, so here is NURO Neurometrix Inc. This finishes at $20.80 today. That is up 107.17%. Okay, let me draw another one here. So, this is absolutely absurd. You know, yesterday it had a 300% day. Or 200% day. Why do I keep lagging? Internet's not cooperating today. So yeah, yesterday it had a 200% day, and it finished at $10. Hit 12 at the high, and you know, everyone on stock twits is screaming, "It's gonna squeeze today! It's gonna squeeze today!" And you know, stock twits is generally not the most reliable source of information, but they got it right this time. So yeah, today it went all the way. It was crazy. This morning it halted like 4 times or something, 5 times. I was watching it like, holy crap, what is going on? Squeezed all the way up to 38.67, and has since pulled back pretty significantly, back down to 2080. But yeah, still finishes up 100% today. Insane, absolutely insane. What's up, Verb Maker? Are we shorting this tomorrow? I'm going to. Well, we'll see how the aftermarket finishes. But I actually shorted this one today, and I got squeezed out. Lost like $2,000. Give myself the clown on that one. I was like, thing went up 200%. 90-something RSI. This can't possibly go up more today. Boy, was I wrong. So, hey, but that's what happens when you short. Go. Yeah, damn right, Joe. Go. But I'm probably going back tomorrow. I want my revenge. Okay. Zakaria, why did I do it? Because it looked like it looked like a good short play, and generally, you know, one way to make a lot of money, not financial advice, is to do the inverse of what everyone on StockTwits is screaming to do. I mean, no one really on StockTwits says to short, but when everyone's screaming go long, you probably want to go short. That works 9 out of 10 times. Did not work this time, but yeah, I was on the wrong side of this one. Crazy stuff. Oh well, that's how it goes. Alright, so let's analyze this. So right now it's sitting on the support of 2080, which it finished at today. So if it goes to the upside, one huge channel here. If it goes to the upside, why do I keep lagging? Alright. So if it goes to the upside, next level of resistance is all the way back at the all-time high of 38.67. So, yeah. Lot of upside potential here. Absolutely no resistance at all holding this back. So, if it goes to the upside, this can easily go back to the all-time high, which it hit today, and further. And if it does, then we're on to uncharted territory, and the market will decide for itself how much this stock is worth. Now, if it goes to the downside, next level of support is 1730, 1560, $12, $10, and then back to $6. And then there's a lot of support past $6, but we're not even going to talk about that right now. It's kind of irrelevant. But yeah, right now, either way, to the upside or the downside, very large channels. Although to the downside there is some support at least. To the upside, absolutely no resistance. So if you want to take a position here, there's going to be extreme price action. Do it at your own risk. Also, we have this gap up at $12. So that is a bearish indicator. That's telling us that this is likely going to come back down to $12 at some point. Eventually. Can't say when, but eventually. Honestly, probably pretty soon. The RSI is at 97. So extremely, extremely overbought. Extremely overvalued. So, be really careful, guys. It did 87 million in volume today, which is not nearly as much as yesterday, but this is still very significant volume, and this is the second largest volume day ever after yesterday. So this pump today is confirmed by the volume. Okay. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, but I really don't recommend that. I know I said that yesterday, but I'm serious now. That'd be really, really risky at this point. It seems like the pump is over. Maybe not, but, it does seem like people are starting to take profits, and the shorts are going to pile in. So, however, if this does keep going to the upside, like I said, there's absolutely no resistance holding us back. So this can easily go back to the all-time high and further. I just don't think it's very likely that this is going to keep pumping in the short term. And if you want to short, also really risky, but we are getting good technicals here. Gap up at 12, very high RSI, high volume, but that's going to come down. Pulling back in the aftermarket, so it does appear like this is on the way to the downside. So if you want to short, I would support that. Seems like an excellent play. Not financial advice, but there are some fat tendies to be made if you want to go short here. Again, still risky stuff. Going to be a lot of price action, but I think this is a lot more likely to go to the downside than to the upside. So, pretty straightforward here. This was a short squeeze, and now kind of looks like a pump and dump. So, congratulations to everyone who made money today and yesterday. A lot of attendees. And good luck to everyone who's currently in this stock. And to everyone who's looking to take a position. This is NURO. This is NRUO. Neurometrix Inc. All right, next one, MMAT. One second, guys. Okay, here is MMAT Metamaterials. This finishes at $3.83 today. That is up 20.06%. So, much needed bounce here. Should have seen you rolling out of the Wendy's dumpster at market open just in time. Yeah. Maybe we can go back into the Wendy's now. Don't gotta work behind the dumpster. Still got a long way to go though. But very nice bounce here. So gotta draw some new support here. Yep. So hopefully this was the bottom and we're gonna see a reversal soon. It caught some support in the past. It looked like 660 was some support. Nope, broke through that. It looked like 360 was some support. Nope, broke through that. So hopefully here at 315, this is the actual bottom and the support will hold. Fingers crossed. So yeah, we got this gap down at 14, so this means eventually this is likely to come back to 14. Might be a while, but that's a bullish indicator. And it does appear like the cup and handle is forming, or a cup is forming. Can't confirm it yet, but this does appear like a cup is forming. So, it's not free falling anymore. You know, finally catching some support. So, like I said, hopefully this is the bottom, and we're gonna see a reversal soon. Okay, so right now this is trading between the sideways channel of 460 and 360. So if this goes to the upside, next level of resistance would be 460, 520, 570, 670, 740, $8, $8.60, 970, 1080, 1150, 14, 1610, 1780, $20, and then the high of 2176. And if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be 315, 270, 160, 90 cents, and then the low of 40 cents. RSI is currently at 40, so that is a little bit undervalued, a little bit oversold. And it did 62 million in volume today, which is a lot more than the previous few trading sessions. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. So, if you want to go long, this, not financial advice, but this does seem like a good entry point. This does look like the bottom. Hopefully it is the bottom. You know, the graph, the cup does look like it's bottoming out. Looking at this chart here. You know, low RSI, that's bullish. Gap down, that's bullish. So I would support going long. and this really can't go down too much further. You know, this might go down to 270, but got some pretty strong support there. So if it goes down to there, I just rebuy. So yeah, looks like a great entry point here. So if you want to go long, I'd support that. If you want to go short, I don't think that's a good idea. There's really no reason to do that. You know, it already went down so much. We got a lot of bullish indicators here. Really no bearish indicators, so doesn't really make sense to go short. Even if you do, really not too much money to be made. So doesn't really make sense. So I don't recommend going short. So yeah, if you want to go long, looks like a great entry point here. Not financial advice. And if you want to go short, I would not recommend that. That doesn't seem too logical. So that is MMAT Metamaterials. Congratulations to everyone who made tendies on this one today. Hopefully this is the bottom and the recovery. And good luck to everyone who's currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. Millions of bag holders bullish. Yeah. Went down from 20 to $3. And then we get a 20% day. We get a 65% day, and it's like, yeah. All right, next one, XELA. Okay, here's XELA, Exela Technologies. This finishes at $2.92 today. That is up 6.18%. Joe, I think I have a lost corn today for MMAT, for the Yolos. So stay tuned for that. Okay. So yeah, this was looking really bad. It was looking like it was gonna free fall, and caught some pretty strong support today. So very nice. Hopefully it holds. Probably draw another one here. Okay, so right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 320, and 280, 285. So if this goes to the upside, next level of resistance would be 320, 360, 410, 460, 550, 610, and then the all-time high of 782. And if it goes to the downside, next level of support would be 720, 240, 215, $2, 190, 170, 140, 125, and then the low of $1. So, pretty wide channel to the upside, and there's a pretty good amount of support to the downside. So, if this goes to the upside, expect a lot of price action. If this goes to the downside, once it hits 215, there's a lot of support there. So, it's going to take a lot of selling pressure for this to go below 215. However, there is a gap up at 150. So that's a bearish indicator that's telling us that this is likely to come back down to 150 at some point, eventually. Hopefully not anytime soon. RSI is at 54, so pretty average, a little above average. And it did 69 million, lol, in volume today. So not too much volume, honestly, compared to the previous trading sessions. So that's a bit suspicious. Hopefully it's not a dead cat bounce. Okay. So as of right now, it's very hard to tell where this is going. Pretty average neutral RSI. Not much volume, so, this run today is not confirmed by the volume. And, yeah, it's really hard. The technicals aren't giving us much here. And I know you guys like your fundamentals, but this is more of a momentum play than a fundamental play. So, as long as this keeps trending on social media, I would say this is more likely to go to the upside than the downside. So if you want to go long, I can support that. Just do it at your own risk. Understand that this is a gamble, more like a gamble than an investment. And if this does go to the upside, pretty wide channels here. So if we get a nice pump here, there's really not much resistance holding this back. This can easily go back to the all-time high and higher. And if you want to go short, that also seems like a pretty decent play, but I would definitely cover at 215, because once it hits that, there's a lot of support there. And there's this bearish indicator, this gap up at 150, so a few bearish indicators there. But yeah, honestly, I really couldn't tell you which way this is going. The technicals are not giving much here, not telling us much here. So, both ways seem like, I would say to the upside is a better play than to the downside, but both ways seem like pretty decent plays here. So, if you want to take a position, just do it at your own risk. This is a gamble at this point. So, congratulations to everyone who made money on this one today. Hopefully, this is the bottom, and the support holds here, and we'll see a reversal soon. So congratulations to everyone who made money in this one today, and good luck to everyone currently holding a position, and to everyone looking to take a position. This is XELA, Exela Technologies. Let me check. Yeah, okay. All right, last one. What was it? CEMI. All right, here is CEMI, Chembio Diagnostics Inc. This finishes at $5.34 today. That is up 159.22%. Okay. So there was news on this one. So let's get to that first. Montre, do I think it's going up tomorrow? Honestly, no, probably not. We'll have to see where this finishes in the aftermarket, but usually when this goes down in the aftermarket, that's a bearish sign that, the next day is going to tank. Not tank, but go down. But, it already went down from 7, so not saying it won't, but it doesn't look very likely, to be honest, in my personal opinion. Again, we'll see where this finishes in the aftermarket. If it finishes above 534, then okay, maybe yes, but looking at it right now, it's at $5. Not looking too great. Looks like it's going down tomorrow, if this holds. Okay. So the company said it received a 28.3 million purchase order from Manguinos. I think that's how you say it. For Chembio's DPP SARS CoV-2 antigen tests for delivery during 2021. So that's the C19 test, I believe. So that they received a big order, $28.3 million order. So very bullish news. So the apes probably piled in, the institutions piled in, causing this to squeeze today. It hit $7 at one point. It pulled back significantly since then, but still up 160% today. So fat tendies. Okay. So first of all, I see this gap up at 240. So that's bearish. That's telling us that this is likely to come back down to 240 at some point eventually. Can't say when, but eventually. And okay, right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 550 and 525. So if this goes to the upside, next level of resistance would be 550, 570, $6, 625, 655, 680, $7, 720, 745, 770, $8, 820, 840, and then the all-time high. I think it's the all-time high. No. And then the high of 875. That's the high for the past year. And the chart goes above that, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be 525, $5, 470, 440, 425, 410, 395, 380, 365, 340, 310, 290, 265, 260, 245, 240, and then the low of 205. So right now there is a good amount of support and resistance both ways. So yeah, it's going to take a lot of buying pressure and selling pressure to move the stock. So, yeah, today, a lot of buying pressure. Pushed it all the way up to 7. And now we're seeing a good amount of selling pressure. RSI is at 79. So, that is pretty overbought and overvalued. Crazy, because it was undervalued today. It was at 19. It was at 20. And then it shot up all the way to 90 to 79. So, huge pump today. It did 392 million in volume today, which is by far the biggest volume day. So, yeah, this pump today is confirmed by the volume. So, if you want to go long, not saying that this won't keep pumping, but, that's pretty risky at this point. High RSI, gap up at 240. High volume, that's likely to come down. So, and it's pulling back in the aftermarket, which is a bearish indicator. At the time of recording this, it's at 510 right now. So if this continues to pull back, that'd be bearish. If this finishes above 534 by 8 o'clock in the aftermarket, then I could say maybe this is going to keep going tomorrow, but it really does not appear so, in all honesty. So if you want to go long, I probably would not support that. If you want to do it, just do it at your own risk. Dangerous stuff there. And if you want to go short, seems like a pretty good play. As I just mentioned, a lot of bearish indicators here. High RSI, high volume, gap up, up 160%. Usually stocks pull back after a run like this, unless it's NURO. So, pretty risky also, but it is a lot more likely that this is going to come back down than it is going to keep running to the upside. So, if you want to short this, I can support that. I think that's a good play. I might go short on this. I got to take a look at this later. But yeah, I would not recommend going long. That's pretty risky. And I would support going short. Seems like a good play there. Seems like a good amount of money to be made if you want to go short. So, congratulations to everyone who made money in this one today. Fat tendies. And good luck to everyone looking to take a position. And good luck to everyone who's currently in the stock and looking to take a position. This is CEMI, Chembio Diagnostics Inc. Alright, so that was all the analysis for today. Went through that pretty fast. There was only 4, and they were pretty straightforward. So, now let's get to the Yolos. Might be a short show today. One second. Oops. Pulling this stuff up now. Give me a second, guys. Okay. So today we got AMC, Tesla, Clover, Nokia, and MMAT. Bunch of different stocks. So let's do it. This first one is by In Musk We Trust. They say AMC 20K plus weeklies YOLO. All right. So here we got 165 calls for AMC at the 45 strike, expiring July 23rd. So this Friday. 2 days away. This was a 27K YOLO. And right now they're down $5,100. Down 19%. Yeah, this is some super ape stuff. He just bought these today. So, this is the true definition of an FD right here. Really can't get too much more FD than this. Unless you buy it on Friday. But yeah. So, AMC's at what right now? AMC is at 40.50. So that would be about a little over a 10% gain needed in 2 days for this to finish in the money. Definitely possible, because AMC is a meme stock, is the meme stock, and very volatile. So definitely possible, but extremely, extremely risky stuff here. So I don't recommend doing this, guys, unless you can just chuck, 30K. Hope this guy can afford to lose this. So, yeah, this is, I don't really like the play. I guess the strike is decent, but in 2 days, I don't know. Bad expiration, decent strike, bad strike for the expiration. This was FOMO. I definitely don't like that. So, yeah, I really don't like this play. This is really risky stuff. Hope it works out, but I'm pretty scared for this guy. Already down 5,100. And, yeah, he's going to lose 10K a day. He'll lose 10K tomorrow if this doesn't break 45, and then 10K on Friday, and then you'll have nothing left, and then $0. Go. Yeah, and even if it does go in the money, even if it does go past 45, it probably not going to go too much past that. So I don't even think it's going to make that much money. So yeah, very risky stuff here. Yeah, I don't think the risk is worth the reward here. I don't like it. I don't recommend this, guys. But hey, it's great entertainment. Zakari, you think AMC went to 46? Yeah, and then it pulled right back. Go. 1 second, guys. Got a siren here. Alright, my bad. Coming to scrap what's left of that YOLO. Yeah, ain't gonna be much left. So, yeah. In Musk we trust. Thanks for posting. Great content. Very entertaining. Very scary. I'm scared for you, man. Good luck to you, man. Really hope it works out. But honestly, it's not looking too good at this moment. So, you know, good luck to you. All right. All right, this one is by Chicago 1313. Pretty sure I reviewed this guy a few times before. So, I wouldn't say he's a Wall Street Bets legend, but Wall Street Bets veteran for sure. He says $600,000 YOLO Molo. So yeah, we got Tesla FDs here. So these expire July 30th. So next Friday, about a week and a half left. 500 calls for Tesla at the 700 strike, expiring July 30th. So yeah, this was a 600K YOLO, and right now he's down 27K, which is only 4%, 4.3%, but still, good. Good. What is Tesla at? Okay, Tesla's at 655. So, what is that? That's not too bad, I guess. That's a little less than a 10% gain needed. Zakaria. AMC was at 45.55. Would he be in the green if he closed his position? He would be if... Gotta go back to it. He would be if, whatever the break-even price was. Hold on, let me pull that one back up. The break-even is 46.63. So, the options would not expire worthless, but he'd still be in the red. But at least they wouldn't expire worthless. So, if it expired at 45.55, the play would work. You know, he'd get assigned the shares, but he'd still be in the red. So, yes and no. 46.55, same thing. It would expire in the money, and he would get assigned the shares, but he'd still be slightly in the red. So I guess you can call that a successful play. So yes and no. The play would be successful in terms of not expiring worthless, but he needs to reach this break even of 46.63 in order to be in the green. All right, so yeah, this guy needs a little less than a 10% gain in a week and a half. Possible. Will it happen? I don't know. Playing with fire here. He could close the position before expiration, but he'd probably be down money. So he'd sell it back for a loss. A slight loss, but he'd still, that'd be a loss. But better than expiring worthless. So, yeah, this is definitely possible. You know, Tesla has pretty good price action. Not extremely volatile, but, you know, more volatile than most stocks. So, definitely possible, but very risky stuff here. Again, I don't recommend you guys do this. decent strike price, but this is an FD. I don't like the expiry date. And I certainly hope he can afford to lose 600K. Because it might come to that. Yeah, apes don't sell. They hold. Apes diamond hands.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Yeah. Same thing, kind of like the same thing with the last guy. With the AMC YOLO. Although this is for a lot more money. But yeah, you know, possible, but kind of unlikely. And, you know, certainly hope it works out. Because it's going to be really nasty if it doesn't. Hope this guy can lose 600K. Good. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, this is a house right here. YOLO a house, why not? Yes, this guy is crazy. But I've reviewed this guy before. He does stuff like this. So he should be a legend. Wall Street Bets legend. However it goes, this guy's a legend. So yeah, Chicago 1313. Thank you for posting. Great content, very entertaining. Good luck to you. I'm rooting for you, man. Very scared for you. Hope it works out. Because if not, good. There goes 600K. Alright, this one is by the Paver Dude. They say Clover about to break out. Get your options while they are worthless. Okay. So here we got 475 calls for Clover for the 13 strike expiring July 30th, next Friday. This was a 4K YOLO, approximately. And right now he's up $1,000, up 26%. All right. So what's Clover at? Definitely not 13. Is that like 8? 9? Oh, wow. Went up in the aftermarket. Wow. Clover's popping in the aftermarket. Wow. It's at 950 now. Interesting. Okay. So yeah. Clover's at like 9 right now. So this would need approximately like a 45% gain in a week and a half for this to work. So, you know, kind of need a miracle here. How did he make money? Well, probably because he bought these before Clover had a 6.5% day. So probably bought it, you know, before the market opened, like right when the market opened. Actually, no, he bought these before today, so he probably bought it at a low. You know, probably bought these around 8. So this was very well timed. Yeah, so it needs about a 45% gain in a week and a half. Very unlikely unless this gets a huge pump or a squeeze or something, gamma squeeze. But right now he's up $1,000. So, you know, honestly, if it were me, I would cash it out. Yeah. I would take the money and run. Because it doesn't look very likely that this is going to expire in the money. So consider yourself lucky that this is even in the money. And I think the smartest logical thing to do is to take the money and run before, you know, you bleed money every single day. Every day this doesn't go to 13, probably going to lose like $500 or something. So, you know, yeah, smartest thing to do, take the money here while you're up. And because if you don't, it's probably going to go to zero. Going to lose your $1,000, your $1,000 gain and your 4K initial investment. Low roller. If it goes to 13, he'll make a lot of money because he bought these way out of the money. Probably bought it at around 8 for the 13 strike. So if it goes to 13, he'll make a lot of money. No, low roller. He's up right now, but the longer he waits, he only has a week and a half to go. So every day it doesn't go to 13, the value is going to decrease by like $500, something like that. So that's why I'm saying he should cash out now before time runs out and it goes to zero. But you can still be up before expiration, even if you don't reach the strike price. MMAT starting to move after hours. It's at 392. Nice. So, yeah, the memes are running. Still pumping in the aftermarket. Very nice. So, the Paver dude, thank you for posting. Great content. Very entertaining. Yeah, I would cut this, take the profits, and consider yourself lucky and move on. I really don't think this is going to finish in the money. But hey, no matter what happens, please post updates. I like to see how this goes. Certainly hope you sell. Alright, this one is by Thin Waffles. They say 69 contracts and 420 gain on the day. Nokia is officially my favorite stock. So, yeah, this one's kind of a joke, you know. I just wanted to show this because 69, 420. But yeah, this was a 2.5K YOLO. And right now he's up $1,300, up 51%. What's Nokia at? Alright, Nokia is at like 580. So, so he has some FDs. He has one expiring this Friday. That's probably not going to work, but even if it does, not too much money there. It's only one. And then he has October 15th calls, 6 of those for the 8 strike. Might work out. But other than that, he has leaps. A lot of leaps. For the 550 strike, 7 strike, 12 strike, those all expire January 2022. So, decent chance of those working out. I don't know about the 12 strike, but 550 and 7, those have a pretty good chance of working out. 12, that's a bit optimistic, but hey, you never know. And then he has 1 for 2023, 10 strike. So, not too bad, honestly. I mean, the real ones, the only ones that could work out really are 35 calls, 55.5 strike, 21 calls, 7 strike. And, 5 months out, decent chance of working out. So I can support those. I don't like any of these other ones. Hey, but he's up 51% right now, so hey, it's working. I'd probably cut pretty soon. Did Nokia short squeeze? No, it did not. But it's been running as of late. So timed it very well. So, yeah, these have a decent chance of working out. But the point of this was just to show you guys a joke. 69-420. But this play actually, not too bad of a play. So, not an FD. Got some leaps here. I kind of like it. So, Thin Waffles, thanks for posting. Very entertaining. This is a meme in itself right here. So I hope this works out for you. I mean, I don't really think anything besides the 5.5 and the 7 calls are going to work. Those might work. But I hope those work out for you. Thanks for posting. Congratulations so far. And eventually, please post updates. Alright, last one. This is by See You When I See You. They say MMAT from 55K to 1K with forced liquidation. All right. So yeah, true ape stuff here. These aren't even options. I rarely go over shares, but this deserves to be reviewed here. So the way this happens is you borrow on margin. So, I'm assuming he FOMO'd in the top of MMAT, $20, with a lot of money on margin, and then held it all the way down through the free fall. Good. So you're saying there's a chance? Yeah, of course there's a chance. No, he already got liquidated, so no chance. Unless he rebuys, unless he goes behind Wendy's and raises some money, or go ask Daddy or something for some money. It says here, negative 12,000 cash balance. Account value, $1,900. Cash balance, negative 12,000. Takes a true ape to do this. Is this a different account? This one says 1,300 cash balance, minus 800. 1,300 account value, minus 800 cash balance. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what the plays are here, but I'm assuming that this was a FOMO into the top on margin, and the diamond hands all the way to the bottom. Yeah, he should have shorted, yeah. If he did the opposite of what he did, he would have made a lot of money. But, decided to be an ape. So, really not too much to analyze here. This was pretty stupid. So, what can we learn, guys? Don't use margin. Margin is supposed to be for liquidation purposes. Liquidity purposes. Like if you want to make a play, but you don't have enough money in your account, you could borrow on margin until you move the money into your account. Margin was never meant to be for, playing on someone else's money. Had to learn that the hard way a few times. You know, I was margin called back in the day a couple times. Never again. I ain't doing that again. So, yeah. Don't use margin, guys. Well, low roller, he can't diamond hands because he got liquidated. Forced liquidation. So, the brokerage sold his shares for him because now he owes them $12,000 that he doesn't have. So, so the brokerage sold it for him. This is going to be the good guy all over again. I'm not sure how much the good guy was down, but not sure if he ever paid it back or if he had to. But yeah, don't use margin, guys. This is what happens when you use margin. Read some comments. At least he got some karma out of it. See you behind the Wendy's. Very much needed job. Gonna apply at Wendy's tonight. This was a 100% all-in. Probably a 200% all-in, you mean. Because it was on margin. Go. $7,000 on dividend. Yeah. So, anyway. See you when I see you. Thanks for posting. Great content. Very sorry for your loss. But everyone got a great laugh at this. So, thanks for your sacrifice. Hope you make it back. That's like a year's worth of salary right there, but maybe 2 years worth. But, yeah, very disgusting. Good luck to you in the future. And I hope you learn from this. Don't all in. And don't use margin. He'll be homeless, begging. Yeah, he'll sleep in Wendy's. He'll live in the dumpster. Yeah, damn right. Alright, anyway. That's the show for today, guys. A little shorter than usual. Hour 25 minutes. But, hey, that's okay. Not too many YOLOs. Not too many. Only 4 analysis for today. So, a lot of people showed up. Appreciate you guys. Anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? Let me check the aftermarket. How's everything doing? So NRUO is down. CEMI is down. Yeah, that's looking like a short tomorrow. Clover is pumping. MMAT is up a little bit. MRIN is pumping. Zakaria, scalping options? You mean like FDs? Depends on on what you're considering. I don't personally do that, but you know, if you're gonna do that, do it at your own risk. Apes, that's true. Apes, it can really work, or it can really go bad. I'm assuming you're talking about calls, right? Well, a lot of different factors, go into that. Strike price, expiration, actual stock. So, if you're going to do a YOLO, you should share with us. No, honestly, in all seriousness, probably not the best idea, unless you're just willing to just chuck your money. Like, hey, why not? If it works, it works. Fat tendies. If not, and you're okay with losing it. But 80% of the time that doesn't work. So if you're gonna do that, just be okay with parting with your money. In and out real fast. Tight stop. Yeah, that's fine as long as the IV isn't too high. Yeah, that's like day trading on steroids. So, could work, yeah. But, again, really risky. So, not going to say don't do it. But, very risky stuff right there. So you gotta, catch the bottom and cash out. Don't diamond hands. What stock you considering doing it for? You just talking in general? You want to get into that? AEHR, wow, that's running in the aftermarket. Well, yeah, I would say just practice first, just do like one option, one contract, see how it goes, don't be like these Wall Street bets apes, am I doing it right? And YOLO all this money. Well, all of those are pretty expensive. Those aren't cheap contracts, except for NEO. But Tesla, Nvidia, Netflix, those are pretty expensive. So if you want to do that, you should probably, I would say try it with NEO, because that's not that much. I just think you should practice first before you jump into it. All right, man. Well, sounds like a plan. I personally, I've only done that a handful of times. Day trading options, call options, well, options in general. But could pay off. I did it with GME. I made $2,000 on GME in like 5 minutes. It was ridiculous. All right. Yeah, man. Sounds like you got a plan. Try it out. It's not a bad idea. You just have to guess right on you have to time it very well. You got to catch the bottom, and then you got to hit the sell button at the right time. So, could pay off. And as long as you have a tight stop, then sure, I'd say go for it. But start small. Start small, work your way up. All right, anything else, guys? Going once. Going twice. Cool. Appreciate everyone for being here today. Let's sign out. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday aftermarket close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.